Marriage is a lot like this. We travel together, but we also have to support each other on our own solitary journeys as well. And a lot of the challenge, as well as the beauty of marriage, is finding the balance between supporting each other, spending moments together, raising a family together. And at the same time, allowing each other to have also those journeys alone, so that each of you can continue to grow as individuals as you grow as a couple.
Wow, you take a step back. You look so beautiful.
So I hope that going forward, as you continue to help each other on your journey, I hope that you can keep faith that as you both continue to grow, that you will always return home to each other, that no matter where your journey leads, this is home. So may you share all things from this day on with love and with understanding. May life's joys be heightened, its bitterness sweetened, and each of its moments made holy. Mazal tov!
I'm just staring at the clock. I wish those hands would stop their spinning.
Give me just 1 minute more. Soon you'll be taken off.
But I just wanna watch you sleeping. Just 1 minute more. I'm listening to your heartbeat in rhythm with my own.
And I know that this memory will deliver you back home.
'Cause love like this.
Even though you are my younger sister, I've always found myself looking up to you. You are just wonderful. Your strength, your kindness, your sincerity, and your ability to always know what you love and what means the most to you. I've never seen you happier than I have since you met Adam. And I remember when you came to visit and spent the week with us in August last summer, and Adam came on Skype and would listen to the many times that Victoria said, "But I didn't get to say goodbye. I need to call Adam back." And Adam would happily answer every time with a smile. I knew that there was something very special between the two of you. And Adam, as you know, my sister has a heart of gold, and I have always told her that when the right person came along, it would not take him long to recognize that she is someone that you want. She's an amazing, amazing catch. And I'm so glad to welcome you into our family and to have a new brother-in-law.
And I know that this memory will deliver me back home. 'Cause love like this comes once in a lifetime. Whoa. Once every 1,000 years.
It's really hard to imagine anything more special than celebrating this weekend with my brother and Liz, my new, I should say sister-in-law, but my new sister. And Liz fits so well with my brother. You really are such a special and kind person. And I'm really happy to be here and be able to celebrate with you. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for this opportunity. It's great seeing everyone, and l'chaim. And best wishes to Liz and Adam for many years of success and health and happiness together.